Are you the only one in your?
I think there's 5 or 6 of them that I've seen out there. Look at this semi.
Turn it on.
Oh wow.
Well,
These little LEDs are bright, ain't it? Oh yeah.
throwback.
Oh, he put his weight in.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah.
You got that much power?
Looked like he's stuck about 10 more pounds. Yeah.
Jeez.
Too much.
There's the red
I can see it.
No, it might, no, it's not dragging. Where's the red? Or you can just record it doing nothing.
He's a red.
I need to wrench the preload.
I don't know which one it is.
I acted like the front end was sitting on the
No, that's
ground.
almost wrong.
I didn't even move it.
Mhm. We're talking about maybe pushes down on the back axis.
You can only do one thing at a time. Which one do you want?
Not the camera. I don't give a shit about that.
I mean, I literally just put tires on it.
Knock the tire off of it.
Really?
No, that's the old one, just has TLTs on it instead of DOTs.
Oh yeah.
You might want a little bit more for the face.
I'm just saying. I literally took it off the shelf, put the tires on it, and put it on the cart.
I mean.
I actually thought about switching mine back around.
Yeah, there's a scale up there. I got free coffee here if you want some.
10 pound 4x4.
Yeah.
10 pound 4x4.
Hey, usually when he says 10 pound limited, that's when it's up. I'm just saying. Man. To be
Love you, buddy. We just love you, little buddy. You okay, Gilligan?
You don't know where he's at. He's still on the island floating around.
Dad, is this extra weight?
Mm-hmm.
What are those?
They're called suitcase weights. Yeah, made out of metal.
Yeah. Looks just like the real ones.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, the ones that have like the pin spike on. Yeah. You can still get them.
Yeah, well,
Gail, here comes the truck I was telling you about. He's running it in 10 pounds. This truck is literally like all over the internet. And he went to a pool where it was at and seen it and he bought it.
Really?
Oh yeah.
I told that guy.
He's got 17 poolers.
$3,000.
Jeez.
That's a lot of money.
Yeah, when you figure each one, he's got about $1,000.
Did this used to be yours, Papa? Because it has the same.
Yeah.
Yeah. He forgot to turn it off.
Your mom? Thanks for.
That's cool.
Nope. If it would've went full ball $3,000, that would be
I still wouldn't have took it. On his power trailer around and carrying
That's like when we marshal the races out here. Sometimes people will flip over. They're still holding on the trigger and you're trying to pick the damn thing up and flip it back.
One time there's a car, like when I seen this place first time there's a car, and it was like a mini one, and it jumped on another car, and it was stuck.
Can you slide down dirt cars down the track?
Mm-hmm.
Really?
Oh yeah.
when mine broke,
especially late models. Yeah.
when mine broke, somebody let me race the mud boss.
Yep.
And those things are huge.
Whose mud boss did you drive?
Max.
Was it Max's?
Wait for next time you guys race, I'll come and watch it.
It's a good time.
Yeah. Just gotta remind me.
It gets pretty busy in here, doesn't it? On the race days.
Yeah,
We
I
get
can't
through one
remember.
cards for thing when we go round two.
I got a little ticket.
Yeah,
That's
Ron's shot right here.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, Justin was right here behind that
Justin.
shit. Ziegler.
Oh, really?
Actually, this truck might be there.
It wasn't.
It wasn't.
No. I don't know where it is.
I didn't know he lived in Louisville. Where's his shop at?
Can't sell. You know where the bus garage is on 800?
I think so.
Right next door to it.
Oh,
Can I say it?
you still working some for him?
Mm-hmm.
Tomorrow night for a little bit. Keep telling Rick how to, those jobs where we gotta do them diagonal pads and stuff on them, we gotta square. Keep telling him how to lay them out. He never does it, well, he
Look at that one.
did one, he turned it around, now he doesn't square it. I don't know what to do. Well, you were told what to do.
Well, you gotta plan ahead for that.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah,
You gotta have something to square it back up to.
absolutely.
Go backwards.
It's in reverse.
Take 2 bars on the speed control and switch. Double check it. Take the body off, wait this long.
Yeah.
Wires and switch one to the
See, mine, I can switch it on my phone.
You can see
Oh, you
it
really?
here, Papa.
I can switch the steering too. So, like, if the steering is mounted forward or backward, I can use the switch and switch.
Stanley, do you have any of the
Things that you just
go
put
in
in
your
here.
ear?
Little loud for you, baby?
Yeah, it hurt. It's a real sensitive.
If you don't wanna do it on your controller, then do it on your.
Try it.
I got those from North Carolina.
Yeah.
A lady gave that
Southeast Gassers will be at Kilcare.
So I want-
Oh, really? So,
That's not far from here.
it's about 2.5 hours. It's just east of, yeah, east of Columbus.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've heard
Raining,
about it.
like, you used to run there all the time.
Oh, it is? Xenia Howard.
I heard
Yeah.
it.
Did you see bags opening back up?
Yeah.
Brandon Mass made a deal with somebody and they're working together.
I guess they're.
He lost the weight, Wayne.
Is that what that was? I thought it sounded like it ran something over.
It's been sliding in front of the slab.
Oh, he pushed it.